Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Caroline. In today's video I'm gonna do a nighttime routine. It's gonna be a silent vlog, so I'll pop in and out to tell you guys what I'm doing. The first clip will be me going grocery shopping. I hope you enjoy the video.
Too often, it's the way you put it down. I don't know what else around. Got me thinking I'll step on the wild side, cutting out ties. You one of a kind, the way you look in my eyes, loving me nice and slow. You made me wanna come through, 2:15, just to put it down on you. You made me wanna replay all of the things that you and me we do. You make me wanna come.
I just got back from the grocery shop. Before I show you guys my grocery shopping, I got some flowers and I want to prep the flowers so it doesn't die early. I'm gonna cast the leaves so the leaves does not fall in the water. Pour some fresh water in a vase and add some ice cubes and then the fruit of the flower. I'm supposed to add Sprite in it, but I don't have Sprite in the house, so I'm just gonna use the fruit that came with the flowers and I'll allow you guys to watch what I'm doing.
The one I used to run, talk to, me and my girl was having problems. You used to say it'll be okay, suggest little nice things I should do. But when I go home at night and lay my head down, all I seem to think about was you. And now you make me wanna leave the one I'm with and start a new relationship with you. This is what you do. Think about a ring and all the things that come along with you. You make me wanna leave the one I'm with and start a new relationship with you. This is what you do. Think about a ring and all the things that come along with you. You make me, yeah. Come through, 2:15. Come through, 2:15, yeah.
At this point I'm starving and it's getting late, so I'm gonna fix a quick dinner. I'm preparing some chicken and fries.
This logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Don't let somebody so I'm next up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fought you over cause you let him. Fuck him, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever.
Where's the time and gone? Been about 3 weeks, wanna come and see me, boy, your time is up. Wanna play with my heart, you get left in the dark, I've been tired of us. You make it hard to love, you know you're so toxic, love. I love so hard, it hits so different, but you're ungrateful, I'll admit it. So I sit back to lead our bitches. You know I'm not like other bitches, but I got all the things you're missing. You know that there's no competition. Your intention, that's the difference. Can blame myself if you ain't with it, nah. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you're chasing. You just wanna hit me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous.
So while I wait for the chicken to finish cooking, I'm gonna show you guys the things that I bought from the grocery shop and pack them into the fridge.
Let me be the give you everything you want and need. Everything, baby, good love and protection. Said everything, make me your selection. Will you show you what love's supposed to be? Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want.
was so good. If you get a chance, try that recipe and you thank me later. So now we are washing the dishes. In the next clip, I'll be taking my bath and getting ready for bed.
Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Ha, 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 ha. She's fine too, but I want you. Ha, 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 ha. She's fine too, but I want you to love me even more. So let's see how you like this song. Yeah. Now don't go walking out the door, 'cause that's just somewhere you don't belong. Yeah. 'Cause ever since the day that I met you, I knew you were the girl of my dreams, but we could never be. We find love and we get up. Ooh, ooh, lonely at the top. Lonely, lonely, lonely. Money on my mind. Money, money, money. Don't care what they're yarning about me in particular. Try on the road chasing my dream because I know. Chasing for me. Wanna love like a man for my love. But I got to Ikisha my love. Everyone select like my love.